Hello everybody, welcome to our fabulous new launch of our Two Red Robins collection of A Frozen World. Now this is something a little bit different. It's not really Christmas, but it is all about winter because let's face it, it's just around the corner. I think it's something like, is it 21 weekends before Christmas lands? I think it is. So here we have our beautiful little characters. Now, if you are somebody that loves how amazing our little penguins are, you have got some super characters in this collection. I mean, who wouldn't love him just there? And also, look. When I was working with this collection, I had to show everybody when I cut that one out. It was like, oh my goodness, look what we've got here. Aren't they just idyllic? They're just beautiful. So for all of those that sometimes we say, I hear this quite a lot though, let's face it, that we have those gentlemen in our lives that we struggle making actual cards for all of the winter birthdays. I think this is going to be brilliant, but also new home, new arrival, etc., especially again in those winter months is going to be fabulous. So this is our lovely set of our fabulous penguins, and there are also different ones on here because you can see the emperor penguin on there as well. So you've got the different I'm going to say varieties, but they're not varieties, are they? They are species. Varieties is more florals and things. So let me move that to one side and let's show you. Are we showing on the overhead, Andrew? Yep. I'm going to bring in one at a time. Now here we have, look at this. This made me giggle when I saw this because it almost, so they're going on the slide, you know, like they do. They like going down the slide, don't they? And it's like he's pushed his friend in. So that's a bit of a giggle for me. So, and also with them being double-sided as well. So you're going to get 2 dies with that one. And that's diving for lunch. Of course, they're diving for the lunch. So that is the first one. The second one, I just want to check. We've got our rock hoppers. And this is where we've got that lovely little family. There he is, look, isn't he adorable? So you're getting all 3 of these and the mat layer in the background as well. So I think these are just brilliant. I like this particular collection as well because you can make them into fridge magnets. Do them as magnets and have them so the kids can actually use them on magnet boards and tell a story. Or you could do an actual album that's got magnetic sheets in it so they can have the scenes. Because what I'm going to show you next with Minecraft Studio are some incredible scenes. Okay, so and the actual texture papers. So you could make a whole magnetic book for them to play with to tell a story, which is just wonderful. So that's that one. I'm just again checking the names. These are the creche. Of course, it's the creche. Look at him. Now, there is a particular, I'm going to say it, Happy Feet. Other films are available, but he is just Happy Feet personified, isn't he? Look at those 3. Just brilliant. So cute. Big, fluffy little penguins. Love them. So that is our creche. Moving on from the creche, we have got having a chat. And they do actually look like that's exactly what's happening. And with them being double-sided, you can change the orientation and this perspective. I love that we get the double-sided reflections because you can make the project all your own. And the fact that they are separate, but here we've got them as if they're holding hands. Aren't they just lovely? And then, of course, with Two Red Robins, we always have the formula, as I call it. So you're going to say, what on earth are these? Well, at the moment, they can be anything, can't they? These can be just piles of snow or clouds. We've got given you some little clouds. But in actual fact, they're icebergs. Of course they are. So we're going to have the icebergs that we've got somewhere to situate all of those fabulous little penguins, whether they're peeking out from behind them or diving off of them, or we've got a whole emperor line of them going through the snow, because they tend to do that a lot. I've noticed that they all wobble along as a whole colony. Wow, here, look at me with my David Attenborough knowledge, all wobbling along. So I love these. Then in addition to that, you're getting the gathering of the bears. In fact, first of all, let me introduce you to the gathering of the penguins. Oh dear, my words today. So we've got the gathering of the penguins. Look, how he's just the most cutest little boy. And then obviously we've got that diving for lunch, different orientation, so it's a different direction. That's what I love about the gatherings, different sizes, and we flip them as well, so you can use them, giving you different perspectives. So those are the penguins all together. And then this is the gathering of our bears. And again, aren't these just beautiful? They really are. So we've got what I would classify as the big bears, the adult ones. And then you've got the two little cute ones. So you've got one stood up on his back legs, and then you've got the littler ones that are wandering about, which are just stunning. So I would, for me, that's Daddy Bear, and this is Mummy Bear, I think. So again, you get that as a gathering. And then I actually really like this. You also get a set of snowflakes. Now, this is then going to open up lots of opportunity for you to be able to do shaker cards, etc. with this particular collection. And I know on our website we've got the faux snow as well, which is phenomenal. It works brilliantly with this because of just how it is. So cutting these out and using them to make shaker cards is brilliant. And then to finish it all off, the board that I made, that's one of the backgrounds that I'm going to show you shortly. Just a few of the snowflakes, and then cutting into all of these. So he is actually the leftover of my decoupage. So I've put all three of them as if they're all diving in. Maybe he slipped and fell in, or his friends pushed him. Like you see, they're quite funny, aren't they? And then we've got the little family all having a talk. And then we've got the little bears, and he is sat behind having a little look over his shoulders to say, what are they doing? And these are all of the icebergs as well. So super, super cute, really, really lovely collection. Will go with pretty much all of your Christmas ones that you've got. So maybe you want to change this up, and you've got the reindeer in with this as well. And also I think these would be lovely on your Craftmaster jumpers, Christmas jumpers, that you can actually put the polar bears and the penguins on your Christmas jumpers as well. So it's another refresh for me to add into that. So let's have a look at some of the designs. Look at this. So this one is using the gathering. And again, you can see here, look in the background, those scenes. That's some of the scenes. I am going to show you these. So you've got the one here. Remember, that's all the icebergs all layered up. So that's a standalone shaped card. Then we have got our lovely scene there with the polar bears. That's the gathering. Then look at that. Isn't that lovely? Really, really simple but beautiful card, okay? Because we do have friends and family that do have not necessarily Christmas cards, birthdays. They're winter birthdays, aren't they? So that is just lovely. Bit of literally silver mirror, glitter card, white ribbon, done. Really, really cute. So that's another one. And then this one is super cute as well. And I really like this one. So if I go a bit like that, our lovely Lou's done quite a few of these. Look how different that makes it. So it's just some different folds to make a hexagon. Am I right with that, Andrew? Yep. Hexagon. And then that stands out like so, and it adds in that 3D. So we've got the lovely snowflakes, and then we've got the cute little characters in the background, again using those different scenes. So I just absolutely love this collection. I think we've got some super, super cards, really easy to build with as well. You know, I love the fact that you've got the ones that we can have them peeking. These in the background, look, they're diving in. So again, fabulous. Love this. As a winter collection, just brilliant. I think it's a must to add into what you've already got of the 2 red robins. It would really just expand that. And then in addition to that, if you are loving the polar bears as in the gathering, we do have a little web extension to this. So this is very quickly the web extras. So you're going to get the large polar bear sitting down, and he is sunning himself. Of course he is. He's now called Sunny as far as I'm concerned. Then we have our lovely cubs up to mischief. Well, you can see it. Look, he is. Look at his little face. He's definitely up to mischief. And then finally finishing the ones that come along children. So it's like, if I bring this one in like so, come along children, you can just see it in the face, can't you? So those are the 3 web additions. So you are getting your polar bears in a gathering in with your main collection, but you're getting the larger ones as your web. Now, in addition to that, you will get your SVG files. Now, your SVG files, as always, will be the 3 different sizes. You will get them in different orientations. So you'll get your reversed reflection, and you will also get your decoupage where necessary. Now, I know the lovely Andrew is going to pop a link in below. So if you're wondering how to then do all your grouping, scanning in, aligning and cutting out of your SVG files, if you're new to your Brother Scan and Cut, there will be a link below that will take you across to the lovely Mel that will then take you through how to do that and cut out your reflections, your SVG ones. But we're going to go across to the computer and go to my Craft Studio because there's even more. So on here, let me go first. We have got, as always, our seam building. Now, what I just adore about the fact that we release the dies, the MCS and everything together is you get the other colourway and the web all together. Now, look what you're getting. You're not only just getting the polar bear, you're getting him as a brown bear as well, which is brilliant. I love that. So we're giving you an alternate colourway, which is fabulous. Let me just take that out. And then also you're going to get all of the little animals. So he is part of this, but we've also done the elements where you can have extra pieces. Again, I love all of this. You're going to get the other bears as well. And let me just scroll down, and you even get the little tiny cuties, and you get your icebergs. Now, you don't get a nested set of icebergs like you do with the dies, because my Craft Studio, you can resize all of these, of course. And the amazing thing that I love about it is you can also change the orientation. So this one, for instance, in the dies, you can, it's only that way. However, if we go to flip, horizontal, we've now got it in the opposite direction. So I love my Craft Studio for this. So those are your reflections. Sorry, your seam building. In your reflections, this is where you're going to find, ta-da, your extra colourways. Okay, and again, this here, you're also getting, in addition to all of these, you get the double-sided printouts too. Okay, so score along that line. Top tip, print this out on 140 GSM instead of 250, and then you'll get a really super clean cut. It will cut out both lots of 250, which is a 500 GSM card, but for me personally, I print out my double-sided on 140 GSM because I just feel it is a bit easier to work with. And then of course you get all the other pieces, you get all the little penguins, etc. And then moving through, you also have the digi stamps. So there he is, but he's also a big little, isn't he adorable? So you've got him, and of course you've got the diving for lunch, and you've got the bears. What's that one? You've got the little tiny cub. So again, colouring elements are phenomenal. And then the scenes. Now these scenes are just beautiful. So when we give you the scenes in Craft Studio, we give you them in A4 and A5, okay? So you get them not only A4, A5, landscape, portrait, you get them in landscape as well, which is brilliant. So if you're making a card that is only a 10th fold, that's this way, of course we've already given it you, because we give you options. We give you variety, along with what the scenes are that you're going to be creating with. So look at some of these that we've given you. Okay, aren't they just beautiful for you to be able to build? Okay, look, we've got the glaciers that have broken away. There's so much for you to actually work with. And I like this where it's a little bit more green. And we've also got where it's just a bit of a colour wash. So there's lots happening with the scenes for you to be able to build on, okay? And then finally, right at the end, we've got 8 wonderful textures, okay? I'm going to bring on one of these. Look at this. So this looks like, let me bring the darker one on. Nope, about that one. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go new sheet and bring that one on. Look at this. I'm going to make it much bigger too. Okay, this looks like in the morning, you've gone out to your car and your windscreen has got ice. Just ice is creeping along it. You can see this regularly, especially, it's not far now, you know. So we've got the ice texture as well in there. So you get your scene building, your reflections, your digi-stamps, your scenes and your textures all together to create fabulous backing papers if that's what you want to do. This collection, personally, I think is going to be wonderful. Maybe you are going to be lucky enough this year to go to somewhere like Lapland, etc., or a trip to Iceland to do your scrapbooking and your journaling with this. Will be phenomenal. Or even just, if you've got a birthday party, you can have a whole themed of this one. So that is our fabulous new 2 Red Robins Frozen World launch. We'd love to see what you're actually going to create with it. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media along with YouTube. Give us a thumbs up. Click on that bell so you get all the notifications. And we'll see you all again real soon. You take care. Bye.
If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.